Hey everyone, got something exciting I want to show you. I've been working on a prompt generator for Midjourney. Most of you know I have one for Stable Diffusion, and I want to show off the one I've made for Midjourney and see if we have enough time to generate an image. So I've got a prompt in here, or the details I want in the prompt, so I'm going to go ahead and submit this. And this is ChatGPT 3.5. So it goes through and reformats it, adds some detail to it. We're going to copy that out. And we're going to switch over to, what do you call it? Oh yeah, Discord. And then in Discord, we're going to go ahead and set up the prompt. So /imagine space. It gets the prompt ready. I go ahead and paste that in there. Hit that. We'll give it a minute here to generate. And there's our finished images. Bring that up. As you can see, did the pastel colors, a very dreamy, dreamlike situation. Woman wearing a red dress, mostly. Is that what I described? Captivating red dress. Yeah, I kind of caught that in some of the images. Anyway, yeah, it emphasizes certain words and that are important to the image. I guess red dress would have been important there, but it looks like it did the thing right. Interesting that it didn't include the aspect ratio in this one. So let's go back and do another one. Let's have it do a few prompts at a time. Let's do 3. Oops. 3 detailed prompts for 3 different landscape images, each one done in a different medium and style. As you can see, I did the aspect ratio on these ones. And you can change that, but you've already got the base prompt. Let's go ahead and grab one of those, throw it over. Drop that in there. And there's our images. Wow. So each one is done in a different style. Looks like we got some, was that oil painting? Pastels or whatever? Anyway, prompt works amazing. Like that's gorgeous right there. Oops. Love that one. Town off in the distance. Cool little road. Anyway, yeah, it works wonderful. So we're going to be putting this up on Etsy soon. For those of you who do use Midjourney, I think this will greatly help out in the sense that not only will it help you with your creativity, it'll help with generating ideas too. You have a simple idea, throw it in there, it'll generate a prompt, or you can ask it to generate a few prompts to kind of help spur your imagination. Once you get those prompts, you can actually ask it to add detail or to modify those prompts based on what you may want. As an example, rewrite those prompts and change them to a dark and ominous theme. Ooh, I like that one. Let's grab that one. We're going to change the aspect ratio once we get it over there. Again, we'll set this up /imagine. Paste that in there. I want to change the aspect ratio. I want to be 16:9 on this one. I want a wide format. And here's our finished images. Ooh, definitely darker theme. Beautiful jagged mountains, just like it said. It's even got lava going through it. I don't know what this is. Very beautiful. A couple more things we could do with this. Let's drop out of here, come back here, and instead of changing them, you know, the ominous theme, I'm used to dictating out this stuff. All these prompts to be 16:9 and done in watercolor and pen drawing. See what we got here. Intricate line work, cross hatching. So the first two separated. It was interesting. It did watercolor here, did pen line here, and then here it actually combines them. So let's grab that. Move that over. As you notice, it did change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Give it a minute here to finish up. All right, finished it up, and we got some great looking. Oh, what's it doing? Guess it was just finishing it up. Wow, that's gorgeous. Look at that. I mean, got the line and then the watercolor in between. You know, the pen drawing in the watercolor. Geez, that's gorgeous. I love this prompt gen. I just wish Midjourney didn't cost money. But for those who do use Midjourney, this is going to be absolutely priceless to have. I'll get it up on Etsy as soon as possible for those who are interested. Yeah, this is, I mean, you can ask it to make as many prompts as you want and revise them, add styles to them, redo them as many ways as you want. It's going to be great. So, hope you enjoy it.